In this video, let us explore tourist attraction outside Genting Highlands by cable car. The Awana Skyway Genting cable car was built as a way to reach the Genting Highlands. The Genting Highlands was established by the late Chinese businessman Lim Gotong in 1965 as a convenient holiday destination from Kuala Lumpur. It is located at the peak of Mount Ulukali in Genting Sempa, which is 58 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur. At a good morning weather, you could watch the sea of clouds transforming colorfully and progressively. The Chin Swee Caves Temple is situated in the most scenic site of Genting Highlands. Located at 4,600 feet above sea level, the temple sits on a 28-acre plot of rocky forested land, about 5 to 10 minutes drive from Resorts World Genting. The temple overlooks lush green slopes of the virgin forest with a view of the winding road ascending to Genting Highlands. Such is the tranquility of the location that one can feel peace in the midst of the moving white clouds and gentle cool breeze. Visitors will also get a magnificent view of the majestic Titiwangsa mountains here. The temple attracts many devotees from across the region, including Malaysia, Singapore, Taiwan, Indonesia, Thailand, and China. Besides worshipping the Reverend Chin Swee, devotees who visit the temple can also pray to Buddha and Kuan Yin, whose large white statues stand tall behind the 5-story temple. Visitors can also admire the intricacies of some of the handiwork and embark on a journey of cultural exploration, traveling from hell to heaven in the afterlife in accordance to ancient Chinese traditions and beliefs. Within the same site, just after the main entrance, is a 9-story pagoda decorated with many figurines of the Buddha. Inside the pagoda there are 10,000 blessing lamps installed for devotees of the temple to dedicate to those that they would like to be blessed by Buddha. There are also many other traditional Chinese figurines and carvings, such as the stone wall leading to the statue of Buddha, which showcases the famous 18 Lohans, divine characters in Buddhism, as well as principal personalities in the famous journey to the West on their adventures to India in search of enlightenment. The statues there bring to life traditional ancient Chinese characters such as the 8 deities, playing a friendly game of chess. Of particular interest to visitors, especially children, may be the depiction of the 10 chambers of hell. These chambers line a path that gently winds up a hill at the fringe of the square. The walk up the path is named the Journey to Enlightenment because these chambers aim to discourage bad conduct by depicting the painful experiences an evil person would encounter in hell. PLSE rearrange the below sequences on the 10 hell chambers narration. Taking cable to Awana interchange where the Genting Premium Outlet located. Watch until the end as I am taking glass floor cable car back to Genting Highlands. Genting Highlands Premium Outlets is Southeast Asia's second premium outlet center and the world's first hilltop premium outlet center. The shopping destination offers more than 150 designer brands and stores with savings up to 65% daily. Must try this glass floor cable car. It's amazing view and experience. I shall make another video just on the cable car ride experience. PLS help to like, share and subscribe so you can notify when any of my new videos are ready. At the end of this video and hope you enjoy watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And see you in my next video again.